Oscar Hotel 7 Bravo Golf, Wild Raisa, Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio. Thank you, Raisa. I follow your YouTube. You are the ham radio ambassador. Very, very good your content, Raisa. Raisa, I will learning with you about the YouTube. Could you help me, Raisa? I'm the old school, Roger.
Roger, thank you so much. It's great pleasure to know that you are influenced by my YouTube channel and you do a really great job for our community and I'm very happy
Hello,
that
Raisa.
you are doing what you are doing. Thank you.
Yes, yes, Raisa. Very good content. Every day I follow your channel. Very, very good, Raisa. I'm the newcomer. Okay, old school, Raisa. You are 5'9", 59, and how are you today, Raisa? How the family there? Oscar Hotel 7 Bravo Golf, Wild Raisa, Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio, over.
Thank you very much, Terry. I am okay right now. I am in Finland and my compliments to your avatar on your new avatar on Facebook or on YouTube page. It's really very nice paintings by your portrait.
Very good. 100 watt, but it's good copy. Thank you, Raisa.
I would say in Finland it's cold.
I will posting in my YouTube.
Around
Very good.
10, 11 Celsius degrees. It is autumn here, but very beautiful time to be here. This is also Hotel 7 for Yankee Bravo Zero Alpha Radio.
Yeah, very good. Oscar Henry 7 Bravo Golf, Yankee Bravo Zero Operator. I make the video, Raisa. I will posting in my YouTube and also in my Facebook, okay? I mentioned to you. Raisa, please stand by, Raisa. Okay, we have Peter Kilo 2 Zulu Hotel, Yankee Bravo 1 Delta X-Ray, and Yankee Golf 3 Mike. Stand by, Raisa.